Hello, everybody. Okay, I'm in the process of machining all these clamp brackets, and I want to give you some tips so you don't make mistakes when drilling holes and making sure it fits here. I wanted to make sure that my socket, this is a 11 millimeter socket, goes perfectly well on both ends. So if I get the hole too close to the wall, it won't let me do it. So I built this little socket here, special socket that I machined to in order to go in the. It's a special socket that I found that has. I had to drill on the lathe the hole here for the drill bit that drills the first. There are two drill bits. This is a 1/4 inch hole bolt, and first I had to drill it with the smaller bit. That's the one that allows me to do the tread, and then the tread, the 1/4 inch tread, and so I drill the hole here for the finer bit. So it goes in here, and it I made it fit perfectly well there. So it allows the perfect hole. Then I'll show you some pics. I clamped these two pieces together, align them, make sure inside they are aligned perfectly well. Otherwise, because it's pretty tight, um, so it doesn't have that much sideways play. And yeah, so once you put the clamps, then you put it on the vice grip and on the CNC in order to drill it, or the drill this and the standing drill. But anyways, these will save you time. I also marked them by pairs. This is the up 3 and low 3. And over there is the up 4 and low 4, and this is the one. This is number 1. The light here is not helping me, but up 1 and low 1. So this makes pair, and the face, because they're not perfect. Not even ICE engines are perfect. So they always marked on the heads of the engine. They marked this is 1, 2, 3, the bracket, the clamp brackets for the rocker arms, for the camshaft. Anyways, I marked them, so you have to face them together. So when I drill the holes, I drill them all together, clamp, and I'll show pics when it's mounted with two vice grips, one here and one here, and then insert it on the bench vise to drill the hole. So anyways, after I compress it, I got much less than I thought. I had 2 inches, close to 2 inches, but I only have like an inch and 3/4. So I had to add a little bit more laminations here in order to get to 2 inches here in height. But I need to have all the setup clamp. First I'll space the clamps in order to do all these measurements to make sure that they clamp fine. I might have to build a piece of steel, a thicker steel, in order to clamp them first and go in. But anyways, so far this is coming along pretty good, and yeah, it looks pretty strong. Once that you tighten the bolts, I mean, they don't have to be super tight. It's just that they don't have any play. All right, guys, thanks.